Hey vlog, what's up? I'm starting a vlog. I don't know if this is going to be for Vlogmas or before that or whatever. We just landed at the mall. It's Black Friday. We're not going Black Friday shopping. We honestly are just kind of just like browsing right now because we dropped Rex off at the groomers and he takes about 4 hours. So we have time, and Felix, we took him on a long walk alone. He got some alone time with mommy and daddy. We just went through Dunkin' and I had a wake up wrap. You guys, those wake up wraps are no joke. They're so good. We got a hazelnut. I don't think it's a swirl. It's the other one. It's like the unsweetened version, but I love hazelnut flavor so much. And Dunkin', you guys know they used to have like their sweetened version of the hazelnut, and they took it around. You guys probably know. I didn't shut up about it for like months. But anyway, I realized that I could just get that in the unsweetened version and then add my own like sweetener. So I just use this like little organic sweetener stuff, and it tastes really good. So that's what I do. Yeah, so we're doing that. I also just ordered I'm not really making any Black Friday purchases, but, and this is not technically Black Friday anyway because it was not on sale, but Rode just released their did like a relaunch or a restock. That's what it is. Hailey Bieber's Rode stuff. And so I got the Barrier Restore Cream and the Peptide Lip Treatment in Salted Caramel, which I wanted the vanilla one that she just came out with. But you know, as I was just thinking too, I was literally putting on, this is my all-time favorite lip mask or like balm, and it's the Malin and Goats. Is that how you say that? Malin and Goats, I don't know, but it's the Mojito lip balm, and I swear it's just my favorite. I get it at Nordstrom, and I think it's pretty like inexpensive too, and it's so cute. But anyway, so I grabbed those because I'm just so curious. Also, my face really does need a moisture barrier cream, and so we'll see about that. Anyway, we're gonna go into the mall. I'm thinking maybe I'll show you some things on my phone if I see anything cool. Probably not gonna buy anything. Like I said, we're just browsing around. And then later today, we have to pick up Rex later, and then we're going to my family's house to hang out. Yeah, so let's go into the mall. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Thankful I learned how to make whipped coffee in 2020 because now whenever I cannot change my filter, I do not know what's wrong with my espresso machine, I can make this. So at least I always have this. Anyway, here we are. Got my coffee. Today's agenda. I need to clean our house. I don't know, our house literally suffers during the holidays. Like whenever we're going and running and doing things, it's been so busy the past few days. And so I'm gonna take today, take a couple hours, just pick up everything, wipe down everything. We'll see how that goes. But I hope you guys all had a great holiday, or just a good week in general. But I'm gearing myself up. Can you tell I'm gearing myself up to vlog for Vlogmas? So that's why I've been having a few more vlogs than usual. So, okay, I just finished eating, and before we start cleaning, I wanted to say thank you so much to Southern New Hampshire University for sponsoring this portion of the video. Super excited to talk to you guys about them today. Whether you feel like your experience is holding you back in your career or whether you just want to learn more in your field, SNHU is one of the largest accredited nonprofit online degree offerings in the country. It offers so many different paths, but today I'm going to be talking to you about their social media marketing degree, because social media marketing, I know a lot of you guys know, is what I do on my day-to-day. So I thought this was the perfect match, and I thought it was super cool. So essentially in this program, you'll learn how to leverage social media to engage consumers, build loyalty, and drive business. And this is a great program if you want to be a content creator, community manager, or a social media strategist. You'll also learn other vital digital marketing skills such as SEO and also how to run advertising campaigns. SNHU is radically affordable. Their online tuition rates are some of the lowest in the nation, actually. So you can actually go to snhu.com/cupofjordy. I'll also link it down below in my description, of course. And from there, you can actually see what the current average annual salary is for a marketing manager, and also request free information about the program. And if you do end up requesting information, a real person will hop on a call with you to discuss how this program can benefit you personally as well, which I think is super cool. And the best of all, it literally only takes one click to find your calling. So thank you so much to SNHU for sponsoring, and let's get to cleaning because my house is crazy. I have a mobile. We made it to Dunkin'. Both of my, I have to like, I think I've already mentioned this, but I need to like, I have 2 different coffee making machines and both of them don't work right now. So I have to have Jared help me because I'm so bad with that kind of stuff, like troubleshooting, or is that what it's called? I cannot figure it out for the life. Here we are at Dunkin'. Yesterday, I think I mentioned that we took Rex to the, not the vet, we took Rex to the groomer. And normally Rex goes everywhere with Jared, with Felix, right? Felix got like a full grooming, like in the middle, like very recently. And so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make one for Rex, you know, it'll be fine. I took him in, he would not go in the building. It was a struggle. And if you guys have ever had like a Newfoundland or like a big stubborn dog breed, because Newfoundlands and St. Bernards, Rex reminds me a lot of my St. Bernards that I've had growing up, which are just, they're just very stubborn and they're really big, so you cannot. Learned it's very important to train them from whenever they're a puppy to kind of like listen, but like even Rex, we tried so hard and he still is just a mind of his own, which I love and appreciate. When we're trying to do things like that, I was literally like so mortified because they were watching us out of like the window. And they know dogs, so I'm not like, it's not too bad, but whatever. And then we took him in, we finally got him in. He didn't even care for treats or anything. That was normally his motivating factor, but they brought him back, they put him in like crates, you know, before they get to them. And then a few hours later, so Jared and I left, a few hours later, the girl calls me and she's like, she felt so bad. She's like, I'm so sorry, but Rex will not come out of the crate. Like anyway, essentially, we have to take him back with Felix because he did not want to go alone. Okay, Jared's cutting the grass right now. I'm in my office and I want to decorate this tree right here. This is my little office tree. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I figured we could decorate together. I got this big ribbon. I think this one's actually from Amazon because they didn't have pink at Michael's. I think I just want to do a really big bow. What I like to do is I just make a bow and then I kind of adjust it. Okay, that's as far as we can get. I need to I want to get a basket to put the base in, and I have to reconfigure it. So whenever I do videos, but I think it does look cute. And then this I need batteries, or just to put in batteries. I got that from Home Goods. It's so cute. It just looks vintage, but it's not. We'll continue these once I get more hooks for my ornaments, but so far so cute. Yeah. Okay, these are what the wreaths look like in the daytime from our last vlog. And then if I move over here too, I love them. I love this, I really like this pink color for Christmas. Don't want to add like little bows to these and like my little Christmas tree farm I'm gonna put there. I got these recess drinks in a PR package and they are so good. They're called Recess Mood. They're magnesium and adaptogen infused sparkling waters. They say like calm, cool, collected on them, and I swear, I don't know. It tastes really good. Anything that has magnesium in it, very good. I'm just eating some cocktail shrimp for a quick little lunch, and then I think Jared and I are going to run some errands and stuff. This only takes a very tiny little bite. A gift a while ago. I don't even remember what from, but if you can see, there's Frankie, Dottie in the middle, and then Cash on the side. And we went today, and here, Frank is sitting on this. I've never framed a canvas myself, and I want to try to do it, so we're gonna see. I have this one, and we're gonna see if we can just take this part out. You wouldn't have the glass in it, right? I don't really want the glass. This literally just popped into this frame like this. We gave it a little bit of like a nudge and it worked. This is great. Oh my God, I love this. Now I'm gonna put it in the bathroom. There she is. Right in the bathroom. Okay, we're back in my office trying to finish off this little tiny tree. And we just went to Walmart and I grabbed a few things for this. And so I thought this tinsel, okay, I was about to buy tinsel on Amazon, and you guys, this is 99 cents at Walmart. So I was like, that's perfect, that's all I need. Then I also thought this guy was super cute, and I love Gingerbread Man, and I loved his little like sprinkles at the bottom and stuff. So grabbed him for in there as well. So Walmart had some cute little things. And then I grabbed these as well. They're like little disco balls, but they were colorful, so loved those. And then these are from Michael's. I wanted some pink ones, and I think these will be good. I also liked these because they were clear, but they still have that. So I'm gonna put a few of them maybe on this ornament hooks. And I'm just gonna add to it. I also have these ones still that I'm gonna start with. Alright you guys, we are heading to the at-home store because we were starting to put up all of like our Christmas decorations that are like in our normal living spaces, and I broke the top of the tree. which Franklin already had broke it last year. Well, last year Franklin dropped it on the ground, right? He knocked the whole thing and then I accidentally stepped on it, so the whole top was bent and I was trying to bend it back down and I broke it. And so now we are going to look for another Christmas tree, which sucks because that was our first Christmas tree when we moved out. My mom had actually gotten this. So we're just gonna go look at that home. If not, I already have one picked out on my phone online, but I'd rather look in person. I don't know, I can't trust the online, like the reviews, you can only see so much. I want to feel it. I really liked this Christmas tree and that's where we got it last. This one, actually, my mom got it from At Home and I think they have like a lot to pick from, so we'll see. So I don't know if you guys have any tips at all for cats who do not, or who are relentless about your Christmas tree. Our cats are crazy energy and they always have been, and we love them for that, except for around Christmas time whenever we're trying to put up our tree and our decorations. But I will say they have ignored our garland, which is new, so maybe they're changed. You know, they're getting older. The last 2 Christmases they were kittens still, you know. If you have any tips, we've tried like the sprays. I did not like that at all. Smelled gross and it tasted like I would get it in my fingers. And last, growing up, all of our, like both of our cats growing up did not care about Christmas trees like at our own houses, and so we're just gonna see. I'm thinking if we get like a different shaped Christmas tree, they won't care as much. This one was super like thick and fluffy, you know, and like seemed very enticing to just climb. So see, I like the flocked.
We have that other Crawford one though.
Because Cash would just chew it.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that one we had. Right. Good morning, guys. This is what we're working with today. Pajama chic. Pretty sure now that I'm looking at them, they're inside out. But we are doing something today that is kind of sad. I need to put moisturizer on. My face is howling, you know, like barking. I've been really liking this one. It's by In Beauty Project. It's a 10 and 10 plus 10 moisturizer. And honestly, I'm willing to try any, because I loved my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, but it's just so expensive and I like to lather that stuff on. So the next time I buy it, I want to have one that I can also switch off of. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not only relying on that. And this one, it's pretty similar to the Tatcha one, honestly. Anyway, we had no luck yesterday looking for a Christmas tree, and so I ended up going online. I went to perigold.com, I think it is, and I ordered it, so it should be here by December 1st. We have a different tree down there right now. It's just like a small one. When we ordered, I'm excited about it. I think it's gonna look cute. It was on super sale, so I guess it was the right timing at least for me to break the tree. I need to clean up my office a little bit. I've been keeping it fairly clean, but there's some things that I need to adjust. Some things that I just still need to put away. And then I got this in. I think that these are these are 2 Christmas presents. So I'll show you one of the things I got Jared. I'm not gonna show you. Jared loves the brand Bogey Boys, and it's actually by like Macklemore, which Macklemore is like one of my favorites. You know what? I haven't listened to like a lot of his new music, but I still have this core memory of going to one of his concerts whenever I was younger and him like crowd surfing over us, and he was just such a good performer. So forever since then, I am a Macklemore stan, and he has the coolest brand. Like, I'll put it here, but like Bogey Boys, they look so cool. All of his stuff, it's very his style and like kind of golf chic, and Jared is not a golfer, but I feel like a lot of these things really represent his style well, and they're such like unique pieces, you know. They have a very vintage feel to me, which I love. I want to undo the entire thing, but this is the shirt that I got him. It has a bunch of cool dice on it, and Jared loves printed button-down shirts. This one is like a quarter button down, like kind of polo style, and I think he's going to love it. So I have a lot of shopping to do because Jared's birthday is 2 days before Christmas, so we have a double banger, and I think it's fun and lovely, but I like to get creative and find like really cool gifts. Gifts are my top love language. I love giving gifts, and so I also got this in the mail. So Jamie and I, if you don't know, we have a podcast and we've been rebranding, and we've been in the process of it probably for the last month, and so we're coming back in December, and so we're doing like a little cover shoot kind of thing, like for a new podcast cover. And so I bought this because I've been wanting this anyway, and we were doing like a theme of denim, and so I think this is great. This is from eBay. Your typical dark wash denim jacket, and I have a light wash denim jacket, but I really wanted a dark wash, and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity So we're going to be doing that this week too, is like reshooting the stuff. This will be perfect. I was expecting it to be a tiny bit bigger. Like it's fine. Does this look cute or no? Material that I was hoping for. I thought it was going to be like that vintage, like this kind of is stretchy. It's like the more modern stretchy. I think it'll work. We'll see. Anyway, I also have a Brooklinen package, which I'm super excited about. This isn't for a YouTube sponsor or anything. This is just, I've been doing I've been working with them a lot on like UGC work and like ad promos and stuff, which is stuff that you guys don't see on my channel. I'm loving working with them. They're one of my favorite companies ever. I literally sleep in them every day. Super excited. This is like different new colorways, I think, that I'm gonna make a little like promo for. Red pillowcases. I think it's called like Rust or something. Redwood. It's called Redwood. It's the luxe pillowcases. And then the core sheet set in white, because right now we have the cream, and so I thought white would be like a nice switch up. Photograph well and like look good in videos too. So anyway, so we have a task on our hands, you guys. Let me get the tripod. This is a tripod task. We need to go through my closet. The closet that's in here that I just recently moved everything to, because there have been some things lately that I've like been wearing, and I'm just like, while I'm wearing them, I'm like, this is not what I want it to be, you know? Some of these things might shock you, like this baby. This is my, I want to say it's like just by the looks of it, I love this coat so much. This is something that I really have to think about because I don't want to regret this, but I love wearing it, but it's just like every time I do, the shape of it is just so frustrating to me. It's like too short on my arms, and it's just so boxy, because I can look past the boxiness if it fit me properly, but I just don't know if it does. When I'm sitting in the car, you guys have seen me, like, I don't know. And then shoes, my Gotti boots. I love these shoes so much, and they are so comfortable when I first put them on, but I think they're just too small for me. And so again, I'm trying to make space for things that are great. I like would repurchase them, but I don't even think they make them in a bigger size. Beautiful, they're these lug boots. I love them. I've only worn them literally probably 3 times. This is something I'm not getting rid of. This is brand new from Modern Citizen, and I love it. I just wanted to try it on because I just got it and I have not tried it on yet. Modern Citizen is also a brand that I've found from them reaching out to me, and one that I've fallen in love with and I've purchased for myself, and I'm so obsessed with this blazer. It's supposed to be like a cool shape, so let me try it on and see. Okay, see the shape of this? It's like goes inward and it's kind of tighter, and then the arms are kind of like balloony sleeved. And I think that this tie might supposed to be back, but I kind of wanted to see what it looked like from up there. See, it's supposed to like, see, look at that. I love this. I love the shape of it. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm pretty sure Modern Citizen is on sale right now. Also, my Jerf Avenue pants, which pains me so much because I love them. They just do not fit me right. And I've tried. I just don't love how tight they are here either. So I still have the tag on them, and I have not worn them, but they give me really hardcore flashbacks. They look a little too much like my old Target uniforms. Also ordered this Lily silk skirt. It's so cute off of eBay. And it did not get here in time, so I couldn't send it in a collab that I have coming up. But it's so pretty and so cute. So I'm gonna have to list this too. So I'm just gonna list this handful of things.